Kovo Credit. Building your credit score for just $10 a month. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of credit building with a unique option, Kovo Credit. Struggling to build your credit score or repair past mistakes? This video explores everything you need to know about Kovo Credit, including how it works for just $10 a month. So, grab a pen and paper, or your favorite note-taking app, because we're about to unlock some credit-boosting knowledge. What is Kovo Credit? Kovo Credit is a credit builder loan specifically designed to help people with limited or no credit history establish a positive credit score. Here's the gist. Monthly payments. You make small, on-time monthly payments, around $10, towards the loan. Positive reporting. Kovo Credit reports your on-time payments to credit bureaus, which helps build your credit score over time. It's like having a training wheel for credit. You build a positive payment history without the risk of overspending. How does Kovo Credit work? Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Sign up and approval. Apply for their credit builder loan. You can find our referral link on our website. The approval process is usually quick and easy. Get an installment loan. Unlike traditional loans, Kovo Credit provides you with a unique installment loan. Instead of receiving a lump sum of money, you'll get access to a credit line that you can directly access to buy some digital courses that cover useful life skills. These courses can teach you valuable things like acing job interviews or even starting your own business. $10 monthly payments. Here's the beauty. You'll make small, manageable monthly payments of $10 towards this credit line over a 24-month period. Credit reporting magic. The key to building credit with Kovo Credit lies in their reporting practices. They report your monthly payments, those $10 installments, to all four major credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, Innovis. This consistent, positive payment history is what helps improve your credit score over time. Remember, building credit takes time and consistency. Benefits of Kovo Credit. So, why choose Kovo Credit? Here are some key benefits. Affordable. At just $10 a month, it's a budget-friendly way to build credit compared to traditional credit cards. No hard inquiry. Applying for Kovo Credit typically doesn't involve a hard credit inquiry, which can slightly lower your score. Easy to use. The process is straightforward, with automatic payments available for added convenience. Things to consider with Kovo Credit. While Kovo Credit is a great option for many, here are some things to keep in mind. Limited credit increase. Don't expect a massive credit score jump overnight. Building credit takes time and consistent effort. Early termination fee. There might be a fee for ending your Kovo Credit plan early. Alternatives available. Explore other credit building options like secured credit cards or authorized user accounts on existing credit cards. Kovo Credit versus traditional methods. Feeling overwhelmed by options? Let's compare Kovo Credit to traditional methods. Credit cards offer more flexibility but require responsible spending habits and can come with high interest rates. Secured credit cards. Similar to Kovo Credit but might require a larger security deposit. Authorized user. Can leverage another person's good credit history but relies on their responsible credit management. The best option depends on your financial situation and goals. Kovo Credit is a good starting point for those with limited credit history or those looking for a low-risk option. Using Kovo Credit effectively, tips and tricks. Want to maximize your Kovo Credit experience? Here are some helpful tips. Set realistic expectations. Building credit takes time. Don't expect miracles overnight. Make payments on time, always. This is crucial. Even one late payment can hurt your credit score. Set up automatic payments to avoid missed deadlines. So, is Kovo Credit right for you? It can be a fantastic option for building credit with a manageable monthly cost. We've covered everything you need to know, from how it works to helpful tips for maximizing your results. Do you have any questions about Kovo Credit or credit building in general? Leave a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more informative content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy credit building!